gang, and we are back with another video. Alright, you guys, if you can already tell by the title, our monthly IPSY bag is here, and February bag is so loving, you guys. It's so loving, and I am ready to get right into it, so let's get it. So our bag this month is this sexy, you know, like seductive type feeling bag, you know, all that good stuff. I'm just kidding. But no, like for real, it's really probably one of my favorite bag, my second favorite bag that IPSY has ever sent me. This is the second bag out of the year. And right now, compared to January's bag to this bag is popping, okay? So you got this black lace that kind of, you know, got a little lifty. This black lace with this nice soft pink that's like a soft velvet type feeling. It's really soft. Only thing I don't like is it is easily to stain since the material is like this soft type feeling. You can stain this really, you know, easily. My favorite thing about this bag is the tassel, the IPSY tassel. It's so cute to me. Like, look at it. Like, I don't know why. Simple things like that just make me happy. It's cute, and it has like this pink writing. It's different from all the other ones that they've ever put on the bags. This one's just really cute. So, starting with our IPSY card. It says Unzipped, and you have lots of diversity on this card. You have a lot of mixtures of different races, and I'm loving it because it just looks really good. You have different skin tones of black people and older people, younger people, Chinese, white folks, Mexicans, and it's just really nice. I guess they did that for the Black history. I appreciate it. Okay, so our card says being sexy isn't limited to a certain shape, size, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is, I don't know how to say that. It's real, it's confidence, it's celebrating the magic of unique beauty, it's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. This month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it in our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness. Like me. I'm kidding. The IPSY way, aka your way. This girl is my way right here. You know, just looking like a little simple little snack today. You know, nothing too much. You know, did something really simple. But anyways, okay, yeah. Okay, so the first item I received, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this one out because I know I never read the cards when I get my bag. I just read them in the video. They sent me a new like lip treatment. And let me just say, I did try this because I ran out of the one that they sent me like in my first bag. I finally ran out of, well, I haven't really ran out of it, but it's really low. It's by Hanley, and it was the best lip treatment ever. But them things cost $25 for just one of them, and they're like this little. And I was like, no. So thank you, IPSY, for sending me this. It is the Bubble Macaroon Lip Balm. Bath and Body, and it has essential oils in it. Lip balm in lemongrass and green tea. And it is a macaroon. It has like really cool details. It looks like a macaroon. I didn't know it was a macaroon. I thought it was like a biscuit or something until I like really read it, and I was like, oh, it's supposed to be a macaroon. I thought it was a biscuit. I don't know why, but I thought it was a biscuit. So you get, I guess it's what the full size look like. Y'all can't really see it, but it's like that. But it's like this whole circle right here is filled with lip balm. So dig in, and it leaves my lips soft than a mug, okay? It leaves me like so awesome. The next thing I got that I actually, Next thing I got was this perfume by them. And it's by English Laundry. I hope this don't smell like old people. I really hope it does not smell like old people. So the packaging is like this pink little box, and you get a nice little, this is a nice size bottle for a sample spray, because I expected it to be like one of those little small ones, you know, like those little ones that like really little with the clear little glass. But this is a nice little sample. Okay. Like I said, I hope it doesn't smell like old people, because I'm gonna be really mad, because I don't want to smell like no old person. I don't know if y'all know, like when y'all walk past the old people, every time I walk past an old lady, she always smell like baby powder. But it's like, it just, I don't know. It smells like powdered flowers. I don't know. But it's the same smell every time. Like, I'm just saying. Okay, that's nice. It doesn't really, it has a nice girly smell, you know, like it's not like a sweet smell, but it's like a calm smell. It's a good smell. Okay. Make me feel like I'm fluffy. Anyways, the next thing I got that I actually did try was the, I got a precision pen eyeliner by MELLOW. So that's what it looks like. This looks like basically the full size. Every time they send me eyeliners, I basically always get the full size. And it's a nice sharp point on the pen. Bam! I used it. It does pretty good, you know. It does nice. Nice black, but I've had darker eyeliners in this. Like, I've had some really jet black ones, like, that were, like, really, like, pow. I feel like this one clumps up a little bit. Like, it got stuff, like, if you keep going on it, it'll kind of get a little clumpy. Instead of looking really smooth, it'll get, like, a little clump, but I'll make it work, girl. The next thing I got was this pink, what is this? Use code. Okay. Well, I got a what is this? A liquid lipstick by OFRA. IPSY Unzipped. Long lasting liquid lipstick. And the color, I don't know because it don't say it on here. But it also included a 30% off code that I can use. And I'm not going to show y'all my code because y'all going to probably jack me for it. But yeah, that's what it looked like, y'all. So this is nice. This is a really nice size, by the way. I will take this as a full size instead of a sample. I think this is a full size lipstick. I think they sent me full sizes and everything. So this color is very pretty. It's a darker pink, something I don't really wear, but it is a nude type color, so I would wear it. I just have to have a full face of makeup on if I'm gonna wear a color like this, so it'll stand out. Yeah, sexy. It's like a nice mauve pink. Mauve. Ugh, she pouring grease out. That's why your grass dead. Because you pouring grease on it. Nasty. Sorry. And the last thing I got was a eyeshadow. Ooh, they sent me an eyeshadow. Hey. Every time they send me eyeshadows, they're always awesome. So I'm happy that they sent me an eyeshadow, even though I don't wear eyeshadow like that. When I do, I always use my IPSY ones because they're just awesome. They're just great. They're just magical. They've sent me 3. This is my 3rd one, and I still haven't fully used the first one, and I haven't even used the second one yet. The second one was in my last video, and they're always so pretty. This is called Lavish. It is a full eyeshadow. I don't even know what that means. And it's by BEAUTE. It's by BEAUTE Basics. And it has like a little slip in that you can stick it in. And it's like really cute, you know. I hate my lighting. Ooh. It's a rose gold pink, bruh. Girl, let's swatch this. Look at this. Bruh. And I just wore an outfit the other day. It was this same color. I could have wore this eyeshadow. Y'all, look at that. Look at the shine. So it's like a rose gold pink. I don't know if I can see that, but there you go. That's the color of it, and it is awesome. And that's a nice, I'm gonna call that a full size because that is a nice chunk of eyeshadow, okay? That's gonna probably last me for 2 years. Just because I don't use eyeshadow like that. Look at it, y'all. Like, yes. Look at that glitter. Look at the shine. Look at the shine. Okay, so those are all the items I received for this month's IPSY bag. And let me just say, IPSY, okay, y'all did the fool. I could have did without the eyeliner just because I'm tired of receiving eyeliner from them. And I'm tired of eyeliners. But, other than that, the bag was popping. Every item that I received, I liked. The little perfume, the lip balm, awesome. The lipstick is pretty. The eyeshadow is just... Can't wait to use that. That's just going to be so awesome on my eyelids. I'm just like... It's gonna be so popping. Okay, so I'm gonna wear pink one of these days. I don't know when, but I am. So I am happy about this bag. February was filled with a lot of love, and I'm so happy. Did you know IPSY hardly sends me lipstick, so I got a lipstick and a lip balm. Come on now, like I won this month. Like some of the people that may be wanting to know what hair I have. This is my kinky deep curl. The video that I did like a month ago or whatever, no, like back in November, I think. This is this hair and I am wearing it and it still looks phenomenal, okay? And if you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. I will link it in the description below so you guys can see it, okay? So you can see what it looked like fresh out the package. So I'll see you guys later and bye. Have a blessed day, okay? Bye. Get off the camera.